In this video we will learn the use of font block options in Home and their shortcuts. So first of all we have bold. As you can see, bold used for bold the text. Here I have some text and you just select the text and click on bold. Your text look change in bold. Next we have italic. It allows you to italicize the text of your document. Select the text and click on italic. Now your text is italic. Next we have underline. It allows you to underline the text of your document. Just simply select text and click on underline option and selection is underline. So that was the bold, italic and underline option. How we can perform bold, italic and underline by using keyboard short key. Just simply select text and press Ctrl B for bold text. Here you can see our text is bold form, and Ctrl I for italic and Ctrl U for underline. Next you can change font style by selecting your text and click here, and here are the font styles. You can choose which is suitable. I am choosing this one or this one or this one. Next, size. You can change font size from here, predefined, or you can type here the maximum and the minimum font size. In Microsoft Word, minimum font size is 1. I have enter 1 and press enter. Now my font size is 1 and maximum font size is 1638. Now when I enter an above value from maximum font size, a message will be appear. As you can see, the number must be between 1 and 1638. So this is the font range, minimum and maximum font size range. Okay, now I am going to change its font size in 16. Next we have option increase font size. You can increase font size by using this button. Just click on it and you can see our font size is increasing, and you can also decrease font size by pressing this one. This is the increase font size button, and this is decrease font size button. Now we are going to change font size by using short key. Just press Ctrl Shift and greater than to increase font size, and Ctrl Shift less than to decrease font size. Next we have an option Strikethrough. Strikethrough is a stylish option which convert your text looks like this. Here is the Strikethrough. You can off. Just click on Strikethrough option and now it's off. Next we have Superscript and Subscript. here I type for super and subscripts. A superscript or subscript is a number, figure, symbol or indicator that is smaller than the normal line of type and is set slightly above it superscript or below it subscript. When you add a trademark, copyright or other symbol to your presentation, you might want the symbol to appear slightly above the rest of your text. If you are creating a footnote, you might also want to do this with a number. Now here I am showing you. I want to type H, capital H, 2O. Now here I want to subscript my selection. Yeah, here you can see. And next I am going to type 45 degree. Just simply type O and select and go to superscript, click on it. And short key for subscript is here you can see short key control plus equal, and for superscript control shift plus. Now I am going to off these and trying to do subscript by using control and equal button. Here you can see, and superscript control shift and plus button. Next we have text effect in font block. Text effect used to apply different effects on text. First of all, select some text and go to text effect, and here is the text effect. You can preview and apply. And also you can change outline, shadow, reflection, glow and different settings from here. I have applied, and now I am going to change its outline color into red. Here you can see. Next we have highlighter. Highlighter used to highlight a specific text, line number or heading. Just select the text and click on highlighter. You can change color by clicking on arrow beside the highlighter option and choose color which is suitable, and just click and drag on text and your text will be highlighted. Next we have font color. You can change font color simply by using this option. Just select the text you want to change color and click on font color. Here are different colors. You can choose anyone from here and your text will be look like this. Next we have change case. Change case used to change text case. Just select the text and click on change case button. Here you can see, first of all we have sentence case. In sentence case our first letter will be capital, and in lower case all letters will be small, and in uppercase all letter will be capital and capitalize each word. In this mode you can capitalize first letter capital of each word. Here you can see here S, O, S and I, A, N, F. Each word first, each word have a capital letter starting. Next toggle case, you can toggle case, and here I am going to sentence case. And next we have clear formatting. Clear formatting used to clear all formatting. As you can see, we apply here some effect: bold, italic, underline, text effect, superscript, subscript. Now we are going to clear all formatting. Just click on it and your formatting will be clear. In clear formatting, highlighter text looks in highlighted mode. If you want to off highlight, just click on highlighter button and click on no color. Your highlighted text will be normal. So this was the font block in Microsoft Word Home. Hope you like it. If you like it, click subscribe.